Hey everyone, this is Ashwant. Welcome to Ashwant IT. If you are watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. First of all, what is Java? Yes, Java. All of you know Java is a programming language. Java is developed by James Gosling and his team in 1991 at Sun Microsystems. It's a company. Okay. Initially, they were named initially at the time of creation of this Java, they named it as Vogue. Later in 1995, this Vogue language is renamed to Java. Okay, this Sun Microsystem is acquired Oracle Corporation. So from 2010 onwards, this Java is under license of Oracle Corporation. Okay, yeah, Java is a free and open source. Yeah. What is open source software? All the contents of this software is openly available in internet. Who can never who a person can download and edit the software. Okay, that softwares are known as open source softwares. Okay, more than 3 billion devices run on Java language. 3 billion, that means more than 300 crores of devices run on Java language. Okay, yeah, Java is one of the most popular language in the world. Java can run on any platform. It is a platform independent programming language. So that's why will more popular in IT industry. Okay, this is Java background. Okay, this is the Java background. Java is divided into three parts. Okay, Java contains three types of softwares. First one is J2SE. What is this mean? J2 Java Standard Edition, which means whatever you are learning in this course, this is all these contents are known as Standard Edition. So JSE means Java Standard Edition for standalone applications, and J2SE is Enterprise Edition. J2 Java EE Enterprise Edition. What is it mean for web application development? That means for developing a web application or for developing a distribution app- applications by using JDBC, Hibernate, JPA, and servlets. Okay, all these contents are in Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, what is J2ME? This is a micro edition or mobile edition for to develop mobile applications. Okay, Java is divided into three parts. Okay, first one is JS Java Standard Edition, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Micro Edition, or Java Mobile Edition. What we can develop using Java? By using Java, we can develop several kinds of applications like standalone application. What is a standalone application? A application which download and install in one particular system and we cannot use in another system. Okay, like for example, anything IDs, integrated development environment, all the IDs are all the softwares we are installing in our local system are called as standalone applications. Okay, develop Java by we can develop standalone applications by using Java. And what are the web applications? The applications which deploy and run in internet are called as web applications. And what are mobile applications? Everything we downloading in our mobile, all are called as mobile applications. And we can develop games also by using Java. We can develop servers and we can develop databases and much more. So that's why it is most popular language in IT industry.